Hello there. Good day, everybody. By the way, here's my dog. His name is Harley. Harley. Say hi. Sit. Sit. He's being a little disobedient. Hey. Sit. No, down. Say hi to everybody. Oh, God. Come on. All right, anyway. I want to show you my tools that I got. It's a 450 piece, as you can see. Turn it around so you can see it. This is all that is included. Of course, I got this little magnetic bowl so that I can put my little screws and bolts and whatever I need to put there when I'm fixing my car. So I'm just going to do a little bit of an unboxing of all the things that are included in here. I got it on sale at Sears, and of course there's some really good deals. Let's check it out. This thing. Anyway, it was a little hard to open. Let's see if I can. Give me a second. Anyway, finally was able to lift the latches. Very, very hard to take that side, open up that side one. Here comes a number, pretty much the item numbers, just in case you might need to replace them. I'm assuming that's what it's for. Includes the size of the drive, etc. All these pieces, the extensions. Here, I pretty much got my wrenches here, and as you can see, they have the metric size and the imperial one, the imperial size, the English system. You get your little miniature, your midget wrenches here. The 20-piece hex keys. As you can see, you got the short arm, long arm, metric. The other one's pretty much obviously the inches. As you can see here, we have our different pieces here, different sizes. My dog, of course, is smelling them. Harley, don't lick the camera, please. And open down here. Of course, you got the, as you can see, it's very hard to open. There you go, I've opened it. Bear in mind, this is the first time I've actually opened this specific one. I actually had bought one, but the back part was broken. So anyway, here we have everything. That one, I guess, mine was a little disorganized. Pretty much like the fact that it has all the sizes all laid out there. It's gonna take me a little bit to organize this. Anyway, so now I've organized them a little bit. Here we have all these parts, all these different extensions and ratchets, etc. Alright, so I'm gonna put this back there. Give me a second. Here's my second one. Second drawer. Very nice. Very useful. Got your inches, your metric side. I actually got to change the spark plugs on my on my car today, and actually we'll show you the next one. And it actually has those parts to change the spark plug. Here we go, here we go. Yeah, the longer one right here, the longer ratchet. Look, and I'm not an expert when it comes to all the names of these tools, and I don't know when exactly I might use all of this, but it's always good to have some tools. You never know when you might need them. I actually have a few projects coming up. This is how it looks right here, and this is how you close it. It's actually really sturdy. It's a heavy case. I'm gonna go around it just to that you can see what this looks like. Actually got it on sale. Got some really sales going on right now at Sears. It's actually like $199 right now. And if you use your Shop Your Way rewards, which I actually had like 65 bucks of Shop Your Way rewards, just ended up getting mine plus a $20 discount. So pretty much I ended up getting this for like $119, which is cool because the retail price is $399. Anyway, I got my little bowl here, my magnetic bowl. No, Harley, you cannot drink from that. Anyway, I'm not an expert reviewer, but more of an unboxing so you can check it out, know what you're getting. Bye.